Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify redirects. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this you can use another integration called redirects. So let's just search that in the apps. So I'm going to search in here for redirects and head over to our app store. Once we are there, you should be able to see a couple of apps related to that, and you can see we can incorporate something that is free. So some of them have free trial available, some of that are easily be available. So let's just say we have this one, so it does have a free plan and a very solid rating. Head over to that. Once you do that, you can see it is going to redirect our paths to different locations. If we want, we can add our 404 pages and much more. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.